Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unboxing the brand new smartwatch that I just got my hand on. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. It's a silk and minimalistic with a picture of the watch on the front. Inside we have the watch itself, a charging cable and user. So guys, I am excited to unbox and review the Fire-Boltt Smartwatch Ninja Call Pro. This watch is packed with impressive features like inbuilt mic and speaker, full touch display, SP02 and heart rate tracking, a smart notification and IP67 water resistance and sleep monitoring. Let's start with the design. The watch looks silky and modern with its black color and full touch display. The screen is bright and easy to navigate through. The watch also comes with an interchangeable strap, which is a plus. Now let's talk about the feature. The inbuilt mic and speaker allow you to make calls directly from your wrist without having to take out your phone, and the SP02 and heart rate tracking are very accurate and provide real-time data on your health. The smart notification features keep you updated on your message, calls and social media notifications. The watch also has a IP67 water resistant rating, which means it can withstand being submerged in water to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This makes it perfect for sports enthusiasts who love to swim or run in the rain. Lastly, the sleep monitoring features track your sleep pattern and provide insight on how to improve your sleep quality. This is a great feature for those who struggle with getting a good night's sleep. Overall, I am impressed with the Fire-Boltt Smartwatch Ninja Call Pro. It's a great value for its price point and has all the features you need in a smartwatch. If you are in the market for a new smartwatch, I highly recommend checking this one out. So guys, if you want to purchase this watch, then also link is in description box, you can check it out. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.